Divide fast with these two different techniques. We start with 442 divided by 8. There are different parts to a division equation. The solutions in this video uses remainders, not decimals. The forward slash is to reference a remainder only. Here we have 442 divided by 8. 8 is the divisor, which we will find a complement for, using the base of 10. 10 take away 8 equals 2. 2 is our complement. Place the first 4 of the dividend under the line, keeping them lined up with each other. Multiply the complement 2 by the 4 we just placed below the line. 2 times 4 equals 8. Place this 8 in the work area below the second 4 of the dividend, but above the equal line. Use the forward slash for separation purposes, because this equation will give us numbers greater than the divisor 8, which in those cases must be divided further. Now add the 8 and 4, this gives us 12. 12 is greater than our divisor 8, so we must take as many 8s from 12 as possible. We can take one 8 from 12, which will turn the 4 in the quotient to a 5, and the 12 becomes a 4. And now we move the forward slash in the quotient from between the 5 and 4 to place it after the 4. Remember our complement 2? Let us multiply this 2 by the 4 in the quotient. This gives us 8. Place this 8 under the 2 in the dividend. Now add the 2 and the 8, giving us 10. Again, this 10 is greater than the divisor 8, so we subtract 1 8. The quotient 54/10 becomes 55/2. Thus, the answer to 442 divided by 8 is 55 remainder 2. Let us move on to the next equation. We divide 312 by 9. Again, utilizing the forward slash to anticipate a remainder. We use the base of 10 to find the complement of 9, which is 1. However, any number times 1 has no change, making it easy to divide by 9. Place the dividend 3 below the line straight under itself. 3 times 1 is 3, so add a 3 above the line under the 1 in the dividend. Then add the 1 and 3 to get 4. Place this 4 next to the 3 already in the quotient. Now times this 4 by 1 and we get 4. Place a 4 under the 2 in the dividend. Now add 2 plus 4, giving us 6. Place this 6 in the quotient to the right of the forward slash. 312 divided by 9 equals 34 remainder 6. Next we divide 394 by 7. We set up the equation by adding a forward slash between the 9 and 4 of the dividend. This is for remainder purposes only. Use the base of 10 to find the complement of 7. 10 take away 7 equals 3, making 3 our complement. Place this 3 under the divisor, 7. Bring down the first 3 of the dividend and place it under the line in our quotient space. Now multiply the complement 3 with the quotient 3, we get 9. Place this 9 in the work area directly under the 9 in the dividend. Add both 9s together, giving us 18. 18 is greater than our divisor 7. 7 will go into 18 2 times with 4 remaining. The 3 in the quotient becomes 5 and the 18 becomes 4. Now take the complement 3 and multiply it by the quotient 4. We get 12. We now add the dividend 4 with the 12, and we get 16. This 16 is placed to the right of the forward slash in the quotient. 16 is greater than the divisor 7. 7 goes into 16 2 times with a remainder of 2. Add the 2 times to the 4 in the quotient and place the remainder 2. 394 divided by 7 equals 56 remainder 2. We now divide 2,862 by 3. For this equation, we will not use a complement, so we do not need a base. The divisor 3 is larger than the 2 in the dividend, so we take 3 into 28. 9 times 3 will give us 27 with remainder 1. So place a 9 below the line under the 8. The remainder 1 is placed in the work area above the line between the 8 and 6. We now take 16 and divide it by 3. 5 times 3 equals 15 with remainder 1. Place the 5 to the right of the 9 in the quotient, and the remainder 1 is placed under and between the 6 and 2, next to the other one in the work area. Now we divide 12 by 3, we get 4. Place the 4 to the right of the 5 in the quotient. This is it. 2,862 divided by 3 equals 954. Division using the all from 9 and last from 10, with and without complements.